you have a hard time making video call on FaceTime? If your internet connection is poor and loading, buffering, or not working as you might expect, then you need to watch this video and learn a quick way to solve your problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Boost your internet speed. Open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, tap Manual, remove the previous DNS and add the new DNS. Now enter 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. Tap Save. Quickly after that, reset your iPhone. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out FaceTime app, tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Give reset all settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your passcode, tap Reset all settings again. After following all the process, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.